କୁନି ଝିଅମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ସୁନ୍ଦର ସୁନ୍ଦର ନାଁ। ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ନେମ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଭଗବତୀ means creator. Second name is Sina means virtuous woman. Next name is Lavanya means beauty. Next name is Narmada means gives us pleasure. Next name is Pallavi means bloom. Next name is Neha means love. Next name is Sagarika means ocean. Next name is Rajoshi means Ma Durga. Next name is Bhagyashree means lucky. Next name is Bhagyalakshmi means goddess of wealth. Next name is Bhanumati means glorious. Next name is Bini means humble. Next name is Megha means cloud. Next name is Inu means beautiful. Next name is Asa means desire. Next name is Pari means angel. Next name is Sima means limit. Next name is Soni means gold. Next name is Shikha means flame. Next name is Anu means angel. Next name is Anushka means grace. Next name is Nitya means constant. Next name is Sumi means refined. Next name is Bhumi means soil. Next name is Lakshmi means gold.